everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is Designer Square by O Homes and I am Asmi Vijayvargiya. In today's video, let's talk about the trending shades of 2025, how you can implement them inside of your furniture, and also what is the color psychology behind them. So if you're interested, then let's get going and talk about the top 10 colors which are trending in 2025 and should definitely be inside your house. Want a color which connects you to the outdoors, gives this earthy, relaxing vibe, and is also great to pair with neutrals and beige colors? Then you should definitely go for the color forest green, which is this deep and rich shade of green, and it provides you with this relaxing vibe which is perfect for your living room or bedroom. You can have it as a color for your walls, so it is like a statement wall piece, and this shade is also great for having it inside your home offices because it gives this timeless and elegant feel inside of the house. It also works well with the biophilic design, which brings a fresh and relaxing ambience inside of the house, and this color enhances the interior and gives a serene vibe inside of the house. It pairs well with natural materials like wood, iron, and also linen, and it gives this organic feel inside of the house. You can also have this color in your upholstery or your cabinetry, which adds this luxurious vibe inside. Do you like traditional, bohemian, or Mediterranean styles? Then this dusty red is a great color for you because it brings this earthy, muted vibe inside of the house, which brings this passionate and comfortable vibe. If you put it in your dining room, then it brings this sort of intimacy when you're having meals with someone, and the interior they feel rich and inviting because this dusty red provides this rustic, timeless charm which is elegant and also welcoming to the house. This color stimulates this conversation, which is why it is a great choice for your dining rooms. And you can also have it inside of your reading nooks or a comfortable space, or also your home office, because this pairs well with the colors beige and top and provides this cozy space to the person and brings this intimate and charming edge to it while also having this timeless appeal. Now let's talk about having this positive, comfortable and cheery vibe inside of your house, and for that the best color would be butter yellow. It is great for having it inside of your children's nurseries or in children's playrooms or for your dining areas, living room or the kitchen. It is good for cabinetry or your upholstery or your shelves, and this color is just great for having this cheery vibe inside of the house because it brings this sense of comfort and positivity, which also is great for having a sense of openness inside of the house. You can have it in your walls or have it as a form of accessories, and it gives your room a very welcoming glow to it also, and brings this playful yet gentle vibe inside of the house. It can be paired with colors like white and taupe, or you can also bring this harmonious look to it by pairing it with blue or green colors. But if you want a refined color of red which brings this depth to the interiors and has this luxurious vibe while also providing you with this intimate and luxurious feel to the house, which has this proper deep ambience to it and brings this cozy approach to it, then you should go for oxblood, as this color brings warmth and richness to the house and is great for having a bold yet classic look. It can be incorporated in your kitchens or your living room. And if you want to have this dramatic vibe inside of your house, then oxblood is a perfect color. It can be used as a color incorporated in plush furniture, having it as decorative accessories, or you can use it for statement walls to have that bold dramatic look. You can pair it with charcoal or cream color, and it also pairs well with gold accents, which brings on to its luxurious and timeless vibe. Now let's let's talk about this color terracotta, which brings this comforting vibe inside of the house. It is a great choice for outdoor spaces because it blends seamlessly with natural surroundings. And in the previous video, you've heard the mention of the terracotta color a lot because it is great for southwestern styles or the bohemian vibe, and also for the Mediterranean house inspo. It is good for pairing with textiles, and you can pair it with neutrals, deep greens, or soft blues, which gives this harmonious and Mediterranean vibes inside of the house. And it provides this rustic comfort and charm inside of the rooms, and which is why it is a popular choice because it adds warmth to the interior and also gives character to the house. It is perfect as a relaxation space, and it blends seamlessly with the outdoor connections, and it also adds this, handcrafted and artisanal touch if you implement it inside of your kitchen. So the shade is ideal for having it in your walls as ceramics and even textiles. Now let's talk about this bold golden shade which radiates energy, and it is mustard yellow. Mustard yellow can be paired with colors like deep blues, forest green, and rich browns, as it provides with this striking contrast to the house. You can use it in rugs, your upholstery, as curtains, cushions, because it adds a pop of color. And the mustard yellow color should be used in small doses so it brings this pop of color and does not get overwhelming. It is good for home offices or studios because it enhances creativity. In dining rooms, it appears as a sense of, providing with appetite, and also makes the conversation feel more easier, and it does not get overwhelming. And this is a timeless and bold hue which injects like life into the house and has this sunny energetic presence. Now let's talk about the color sky blue. It is this calm and serene vibe to it, and the whole sky blue color. It is commonly used in bedrooms or bathrooms and also living rooms. It can be used practically anywhere as it is a very versatile shade, and it is also a calming shade. So it is great for having it in places like your bedroom. You can also have it in your nursery so that it provides this soothing environment, and it is also good for home offices as it boosts your concentration and reduces stress. And in living rooms, or if you implement it in your bedroom, then it provides you with a restful sleep, and it pairs well with sandy beach colors and also creates this fresh and timeless palette inside of the room. And you can incorporate it through wall paint, upholstery, and you can even use it as decorative elements inside of the house. Now let's talk about this soft pastel purple shade which is lavender, and it adds this sense of tranquility and sophistication for the house. It pairs beautifully with white, silver, and soft pinks for this delicate and airy look, and it can be used for having this modern, vintage, and also romantic atmosphere to the house. It works beautifully well with floral inspired themes, and it complements natural textiles like linen and rattan, and this has a soothing hue which is perfect for creating this dreamy and elegant atmosphere inside of the house. The shade works well with textiles, so you can have it in your curtains or your bedding to have this enhancement in the coziness of your room. And it is just a perfect color for promoting mindfulness and romantic intimate vibes inside of the house while also having this welcoming environment to it. About this rich and deep shade of brown, which is chocolate brown. It is deep and warm, and it is good for providing stability and sophistication inside of it. It can be used in textiles such as your rugs and your throws, curtains, for a cozy and sophisticated feel. It is versatile and timeless. So chocolate browns, it brings depth and character to the interiors, And it also pairs well with neutrals like beige and cream, and also good with jewel tones like emerald green, mustard yellow for this luxurious contrast. It is commonly used in traditional and rustic interiors, which makes it like a excellent choice for having it in your living rooms, bedrooms, and also dining areas, because it adds this depth and richness to the house while also maintaining this inviting atmosphere, and which is also why it is good for implementing in your home offices. So basically this color will bring character to your interior. Now let's talk about a shade of purple which works well with art deco color, which is eggplant. It pairs beautifully well with gold, brass, and silver themes, and it adds a sense of luxury and formality. It is a bold yet elegant choice, and the shade is just transform interiors with its richness and depth. So it is good for having it in your living rooms especially. It gives this artistic expression as it is this bold and deep shade of purple, which adds this elegant and mysterious vibe inside of the room, and it is associated with introspection, sophistication, which makes it ideal for having it as statement walls, furniture, and also accent pieces. It is a great choice for your bedrooms also, and you can pair it with soft neutral so it does not have this overwhelming vibe to it. So it creates this cozy and intimate environment inside of the house. So those were the 10 colors which would be trending in 2025. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button so you can be notified for when we post future great videos like this. Thank you for watching.